Hold on. I think we found it. Hello? Is anyone there?
Hey, if there is, could we, not wake it up? Because everything we've met so far has tried to kill us.
Expose your heart to summon ghosts. Then face alone what you fear most.
I knew it. This place wants us dead. We should have turned back while we had a chance.
I need to do this, Sparks.
Yeah? Go ahead. Expose your heart and see what happens. Wait, don't do it. You can't leave me behind in the wacky moon temple with all the whispering walls and the crawling thingies. They want to make me part of their freak show. You go first. Ooh, what's this? It's a magic wishing lamp. Hello? Jean? In there?
This is incredible. The entire history of the dragon race. It looks like it's all here.
It is. Well, most of it.
Hear that? It spoke to me.
The records in this hall date back to the beginning of time. Live.
The Chronicle.
Yes, Spyro, it is I. And I've been waiting.
Oh, well, I hope we didn't keep you waiting too long. We got a little held up back there with the, riddles or doom.
It was a necessary evil. I had to be sure of this time. I haven't had any visitors in my solitude for over 1,000 years.
Doctor, try getting rid of the psychedelic dragon outside.
You've been here for that long?
Oh, yes. But I have my books. And I watch and wait and listen for things to come, and then add them to the books of time. You also written in the books, though many pages are still left incomplete.
I am? Can I see?
Of course you can. This one is yours.
Look.
You've seen this hideous creature.
Why is he in my book?
It was Gaul who led the raid on the temple the night of your birth, when Ignitus rescued you.
And when they took Cinder?
Yes. That was most unfortunate. Oh, and look, here is little Spark.
Hey. Nobody needs to see that, ever.
Wait, can these books tell the future?
In parts, though just glimpses of the future, really.
Then I want to know what will happen to Cinder.
Spyro, you don't...
Please. I must know.
Very well. But hers is the one. Spyro, you must understand, when she was taken by Gaul, she was poisoned and corrupted, made to do the Dark Master's bidding. Her entire life has been spent in shadow. She knows no other way. When the Dark Master returns, she will concede. No one can resist the temptation. Not even the strongest amongst us.
I don't believe that.
Spyro, let me tell you another story.
Ooh. Can I pick the story this time?
There was once a dragon, long ago, whose raw power was far greater than anyone had ever seen or could imagine. At first, he mastered fire, which was odd because he was not a fire dragon. Then came ice and wind, and other abilities none thought possible. Is this story sounding familiar?
It was a purple dragon. Like me.
The first purple dragon. In the beginning, he was encouraged, and secrets of elemental mastery were passed on to him willingly by the elders. But his power was limitless. It knew no bounds. It consumed everything. When he would not stop, his castle exiled, and from his new fortress within the mountain he built an army, not of dragons, but of apes, and taught them to artificially harness the power of the giants.
You're talking about the Dark Master.
Yes. And in his dark seclusion, the sheer weight of his malice cracked the very foundation of the mountain, splitting the earth, creating a pit of despair where the lost souls of this river were risen.
The Well of Souls.
Created by the very beast who now seeks to escape.
But you said that the eclipse would only allow the spirits to escape for a short while.
Yes, but if there was ever a spirit powerful enough,
Then how do we stop it?
there is no stopping it. It has been written.
Then why have you called us here? I don't understand.
To ride out this storm, where you'll be safe. Live, fight another day.
Well, that sounds pretty good.
What about the others? What about their safety?
I fear the worst for the others.
And Cinder? Am I supposed to sit here and do nothing while she joins them?
Let me field this one. Yeah!
No. You keep talking about choosing a path. But what about Cinder? She was never given a choice. I have to try. I'm going, and you can't stop me.
Then, I won't. Young dragon, I've waited far too long to watch you leave here stricken with grief and doubt. You'll need a clear mind and a pure heart if you are to withstand the evil that consumes that place.
I know this is not the path you would choose for me, but I have to walk my own path and do what I know is right.
So be it. I will show you the way. You must hurry. The dark hour of the eclipse is near, and haste will be your only ally.
All right, then. Well, just so I know why I died, the plan is to wander into the land of darkness to face an army of evil creatures that will want to kill us, so we can try to rescue another evil creature that has already tried to kill us. Let's hope.